If I'm alone, if I'm alone, if I'm alone, if I'm alone, yeah, if I'm alone, yeah, if I'm alone, hey, check it, if I'm alone, 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 if I'm alone.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A Marie back with another smacking video. Okay, all right y'all, so in today's video we're gonna do a wig review. Sorry I look a little crazy. I got my hair under waves for my deep conditioning treatment. So I got my conditioner and an oil. Yeah, so we're gonna get into this wig review. Let's go, let's get it. Alrighty, so in today's wig review, we have ISEE Hair. Okay, I see you, and I hope y'all see me. So ISEE Hair, it's my first time ordering from them. I heard really great reviews about it, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see what's going on. So it came with this bag as well in my packaging. I don't know why, but it's cute. It's cute though. So I got a bag. So I had got the Body Wave Glueless lace closure. So it already comes pre-cut as well. I got it in 20 inches, I believe. I'll double check my receipt for that. But yeah, y'all, it was real cute. Got good reviews on it. So I was like, let me try it. So this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And it comes with little goodies. So it came with this bag, ISEE Hair bag. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So it has a bonnet. Oh, it's a cute little bonnet. Good, because I think I messed this one up. So, okay, I see. Got a bonnet. I got a sleeping for my eyes, like a little sleep cover for your eyes. Get a wig cap. You get a wig cap. Good, because I need it. Oh, you get 2 wig caps. Hold on. Because this is what is needed for the installation, because I ran out, and glad I got some. There we go. And this is a HD wig cap too. So I've never seen one of these before, but we're gonna try this one out today. I'm gonna try that one out. And then, oh, we get some lashes, girls. We get the lashes. Ew, these are a little big for my eyeballs, but we finna see. Now that I know how to put them on now, y'all. And then they got little, oh, they give you stickers. Okay, y'all, we get stickers. Okay. Hi, Barbie. It's giving Barbie. And then they have little contacts for that in their packaging too. Oh, and it also gives you why wear glueless wigs explanations in there too. So that's really helpful. I like that. I really like that. Shoot, I might even use it. And you know, might have to. Oh, and I get a wig band. Oh. So, oh, ISEE Beauty wig band. Okay. And you get a edge brush too, I believe. Yeah, edge brush. Good, because I needed an extra one. Okay, I see you. All right, but let's get to the nitty gritty of the things. This is the wig. And let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I actually got a hair texture body wave in a 22 inch. I'm gonna put everything in the description if I haven't gotten to it yet, and it'll be on the screen too. So it's been a long time since I got this wig. Like I said in my last video, I ordered this wig through the Chinese season, and it was supposed to come on time, but it didn't, but it's okay. That's my fault, my bad. So y'all, this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the plastic. Let's take it off. Let's take off the net. Let's see what's to it. Y'all, it already looks good. Ooh, and it's soft too. Look at that. Okay. It's really soft. I really like the waves of the body. Like, waves of the body. Body of the waves. Like, that's giving really natural. I don't have to really do anything to it for real, but I really like that. Let's check out the lace. And this is what the lace looks like fresh out the box. I do see that it is pre-plucked. It does look pre-bleached as well. Off camera, if you could tell. You can see it, it looks pretty bleached right there too, so that's good. I'm still gonna put makeup on my cap, and I might even put makeup in the actual cap itself too, just because I really like a natural look to make it really look like my scalp. But we gonna see. Alrighty. So it does come with an adjustable strap right here. Boom, bam. I normally tie my elastic straps like as tight as they can. I have a really small head, so I'm really gonna see if this head, if this wig is small head friendly. I will definitely let you all know if it is. It doesn't have any straps in the back, like the extra clips in the back. It just has the adjustable strap right here, which is perfectly fine. Like, I should just be able to tighten it up and I'll be fine. But this is what the lace looks like on the inside. It does look a little bleached though, I will give it that. It's giving bleached from what I can see. Yeah, it's bleached. It's bleached. From the lighting, I think makes it looks a little off, but from when I pull it back, here, take the plastic. Take the plastic. Oh, my son's gonna kill me. But yeah, it's definitely bleached. Like, when I look this way at it, it's bleached. So the lace looks really good. This is kind of like a harder lace, but it is pre-cut, as you can see. So I don't have to cut any extra lace off if I don't want to. I don't think I should have to. But I really like the parting. It looks really good on my skin. It looks like it should be okay. Once I put that wig cap on, I should be good to go. So this is what it's looking like. I really like this wig, y'all. I can't wait to put it on. Like, look at that. It's giving body. It's giving bounce. A minimal shedding. I'm not getting any hairs but like one. Yeah, minimal shedding, not even a lot. I only have pulled like one hair out. That's about it. But it's super soft. It's really full. I believe the density I had got it in was 180. I normally don't try to go over 180 because then there's too much hair on my body. But this looks pretty good. I really like it. I like the density. I like the movement. I like the waves. Everything is given so far. The real test is when I put it on. So let me go ahead and wash this out. I'm going to braid my hair. I'm going to oil my scalp, everything, put my wig cap on. So when I come back, I'll be in my wig cap to put this on and we're going to see. All right, ISEE Hair. Let's see. I see you. You see me. Let's see. Let's see. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm back. Say hi, Luca Bear. Say hi. Alright, y'all. So I'm back and I have washed my hair. I braided it down. I just got my do-rag on, just kind of flatten my braids down a little bit, just so that way they can lay. If y'all may or may not know, I had cut my hair off, so it was like short, and I'm growing it back out, so I can now finally braid my hair. Yay! But my braids don't look the cleanest, but it's okay because it's gonna be under the wig anyway. But let me just show y'all what I use to do my wash routine, my curly hair routine, and also part of the process of me growing my hair out. Let me show y'all. So right now I use the Whole Blends Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So this has been working really well on my hair. I like the way it makes my hair smell. I have a lot of slip with the shampoo, and it repairs and mends dry, damaged hair. My hair from that blonde that I did was definitely damaged and it needs repairing. So these are my go-tos. And kind of this is the main thing I can find in my local Walmart here. We don't have beauty supply stores here, so these have been my grace right here. Leave-in conditioners, I use the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls and the Multicultural Curls by Miss Jessie's as well. This, y'all, I love this. I love these two products, especially this one, the Pillow Soft Curls. If you haven't already, go ahead and get you some because these have my curls so super soft. And when my hair was longer, they used to have really good bounce, no crisp, no nothing. even the gel, I have the gel. I normally don't use that unless I'm doing like a twist out or a braid out. But even the gel, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. These golden grace. And then I was looking on Pinterest. I am a Pinterest person. I love Pinterest. And as I was scrolling on how to do different type of hair growth things, these two products came up. This is the Amala hair oil. It works really good. I put it with my conditioner when I do a leave-in deep conditioner treatment, which is what I was doing earlier. And then the virgin hair fertilizer. This works really well. It's a herbal extract, petroleum jelly, peppermint oil, lanolin, okay, fragrance. So it's supposed to help with thickening hair and also regaining hair growth. So these two also, I have seen a little bit of results from it when I had my hair in my other wig for about a good 2-3 weeks. My little back end where I had my undercut definitely did grow, so I can put them in a little tiny ponytail. At least I know that's semi-working, but I'll know for sure probably like 2-3 months down the road, and I can update y'all on that. But we finna get into this wig. I'm finna put my wig cap on and see what's to it. Y'all, I'm nervous, but let's go. Let's go. Alrighty, y'all, so I just put on the HD lace wig cap, and man, you look good. I didn't, like I said, y'all, I never wore HD lace cap before, but let's see what's to it. It looks good so far. It looks good, especially like when I put makeup on it. So right now I don't have any makeup on my cap or nothing, but I'm just gonna see what it looks like without makeup, and then I'm gonna put makeup on it to see what's the difference. Okay, so y'all, with the adjustable strap, y'all can actually move it different lengths right there. I didn't know that, so that's good. I'm finna move it to the second one, I believe that is. Yeah, the second one. Yeah, so I pulled it all the way tight like this, and I moved them both to the second things. All right, y'all, let's put this wig on. Okay, it's giving. I like it. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on, y'all. The little hairs getting stuck between the lace, but this looks really good, guys. Like, look at that, plucked, everything. For a closure, y'all, come on. How long it is for 22 inches, and mind y'all, I'm 5'3", so 22 is still kind of long for me. But it's real cute, like, oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Look at that. I don't even think I need to put makeup on it for real. I don't think I'm gonna. Like, look at that. Knots are plucked. I might have to do a little something right there, but yeah, y'all, it's cute. Okay, ISEE hair. It looks really good, really natural. Like, the parting is good. Moving it over like this is cute. Even doing a little something to the other side. You know, it's cute. Ah! Yeah, and the curls is given. For the body wave, I've never had a body wave like this before, y'all. And it is just super, super cute. Like, oh my God. And even the HD lace, the HD wig cap makes it look good. I definitely am gonna put probably some makeup on the cap just so it can match my skin tone. It is a little lighter than me, but other than that, I love this wig, y'all. I love it. Oh my God. I can't stop touching it. Ah! I love it. I just love the curls. Like, y'all, I love these type of curls. It reminds me of Her, like the singer Her, how she has her hair sometimes. Like, this wig, ISEE Hair, 10 out of 10. It's super soft, y'all. Like I said, it's really full. It's really thick. Like, you don't see any, like, in between lines, how you can, like, kind of see through hair. You don't see any of that. Plucked hairline. Really good plucked hairline. That is really good. And it was pre-cut, so I didn't have to cut anything. Glueless. Like, oh my God. The only thing I gotta do is my makeup on the cap and we good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on the cap. I'm not gonna put any makeup on the inside of the cap, I don't think. I think it looks really good as long as I have the cap on and the lace sees through the cap. It should be good because it is bleached on the inside already and I kind of don't want to mess that up. So I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna probably do like a hairstyle or something like this, like kind of flip it over or something, because y'all, this looks super good. Like, I know y'all see my cap still a little bit. Bear with me. It's gonna disappear. Like, it looks super good. Like, oh my God. Okay. And this is a closure, y'all. Like, straight out the box closure. Straight out the box closure. I love this wig. I love it. I love it. This is gonna be my go-to. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and put some makeup on my cap and I'm gonna be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm back. I just put some makeup on my cap and that was about it. All I did was put foundation on my cap. This is the foundation that I used. I got this from my local, back in Chicago, Sephora, I believe. But yeah, y'all, this is the color that I used on my cap. And it looks really good, y'all. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. It looked good. It looked good. And the hair is giving. Yeah, y'all. So ISEE Hair, my review is definitely a 10 out of 10 on this one. Like, 10 out of 10. I would definitely get another one of these wigs. I probably will order me another one if this one started slacking but definitely a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend go get you one. I'm gonna definitely link the wig in the description box to the direct link that I got this wig from. I did use a coupon code. I'm not exactly sure which one, but if you go on the website, they have other coupons that you could use too that I saw when I was checking out. So I said, put it in there. Yes, y'all, it's given full glueless. I did not use any glue. No glue, no Ghost Bond, no Got to Be, no Evan New York, nada, nothing. So all I did, 3-step process, wig cap, makeup, wig, boom, and it's given. So definitely go ahead and get you one, maybe 2, 3, 4, how many ever you need to feel good. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all liked it. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe for more wig tutorials. If you want to see them, how I put this on exactly, what steps did I do to make it look natural, whatever y'all feel needed to have, let me know. And I will see you all next time. Bye.